GLD, just to show you the trade setup pattern. So this is one that we set up on the 7th of October. So look here. So this has everything I was showing you. Here's the cycle reversal. Okay, so this told us, okay, get ready. And then we started getting cycle 1 and 2 going positive momentum here. All right, then we had to go in again. Here's another really great tool that we're going to use in the course, a momentum reversal indicator. And then we got in right here when it was breaking through that 21 and the 50 simple moving average. Very explosive move to the upside. So this was on Gilead, GILD, and it was trading right here at 115.50, got in right there. And then we had profit on the 21st. It was trading at 123.85, profit on the 22nd, and out here. So had a really beautiful trend to the upside, rode that trend. See it holding the moving averages. We'll go through how that works. So a lot of good stuff on that trade. And here's just where the trade ended up going out with the counter. This is the condor that we ended up adjusting to. So it was trading right here. This was on the 21st. It was trading now at 123.80. So we had this trade adjusted to a credit, no risk, okay, of 30 bucks. So the spread blew out to 374 or 374 plus the credit that we brought in from the adjustments. So we went out up over $400 on zero risk on this trade. So that's the trade set up there using the tools that you're going to learn next weekend, the scanner, which is how we found the trade,